up, everybody? This is Jay back again with another video. Here to give you another video on some bodybuilding food, particularly food if you're on a budget. I've done videos before on food you can get in the supermarket that'll help you grow. I like to sometimes do videos that kind of show things that are also cost effective, because a lot of times this food adds up and you can't be like buying a bunch of like expensive protein all the time. And if you're young and you're trying to find food that's not going to cost a lot of money, I'd like to give you some videos on some of the choices you have. And so right here what I have is I'm in the section that has the canned tuna and the canned fish. And now this is a great option for you if you're looking for high protein, lean protein, not a ton of calories, that's very inexpensive. If you want to come in here real quick, you'll see I'm currently, I'm in the United States. This stuff's $1.79, and there's just a ton of options here. I mean, you can see we got like Thai chili, ginger, sesame, lemon pepper. That's one that I actually used today. I'm a real big fan of this buffalo style one. I'm really into like spicy, and it kind of has like a nice kind of sauce to it. You can do a lot of things with this tuna as well. I mean, not a lot of you like fish. Not a lot of you are saying like, ooh, I want to eat some like canned fish today. But you can throw that in your eggs. You can throw that into, like, I used to put it into mac and cheese for a very like low cost, high, like kind of tasty, high protein meal. Get creative with it. Put some hot sauce in it. You can really flavor this stuff up. I mean, yeah, sometimes it tastes kind of, the texture kind of sucks or whatever, but there's a lot of stuff you can do with it, and there's just some stuff on this you just can't ignore. So for example, if you look at this lemon pepper one, in this entire pouch you have 80 calories and you're going to be getting 17 grams of protein, all for $1.79. And you're going to get a lot of like the benefits that come with eating fish. Maybe if you're a pescatarian, this is a great option for you as well. There's not a lot of ingredients in there that are necessarily bad for you. So that's a great option if you're looking to bodybuild on a budget. Look for some food that you can throw in, even if you're not bodybuilding on a budget, you're just trying to save money. Canned tuna, pouch tuna, I'm a real big fan of that. So hope this video helped you for a nice bodybuilding nutritional tip. If you have any other questions on any other foods, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button. I do bodybuilding videos often. All right, guys. Peace.